Hey, good morning. It's Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde. We have the 77 Bronco Sport that's ending here in a little bit. I just want to do a quick little walk around on it. I sold this car a couple of years ago. It was a slightly different configuration. Sold to a client in Utah area, and he took the Sexton Offroad and had him do a completely major build on this truck. Sexton Offroad is really well known for King Hammers builds. They have a big website selling off-road parts, but this really is what their specialty is. So this car has a Coyote-Powered Gen 3 5-liter in it now. Let's open it up so you can take a look. Fiberglass hood with hood struts, but big radiator. Has Hydroboost Wilwood brakes, as Wilwood big calipers and brakes on it as well. So it not only does it have lots of horsepower, it stops, but air conditioning, power steering, Hydroboost, just all the stuff is really done nice. Like I said, great big aluminum cooler on it. Custom bumper, worn winch with synthetic rope on it. Mickey Thompson tires, upgraded alloy wheels. They look like welds to me. I'm not sure. Oh, they're Mickey Thompson. I apologize. Bilstein shocks, big sway bars. The car was originally a little bit taller. They lower it down, which makes it drive so much better. It isn't all squirrely, especially when you have all that horsepower. You don't want a squirrely off-roader. Going on the inside, it has custom leather interior that's quilted. It's kind of distressed. It's real similar to what's like in a Ford King Ranch, if you wanted to compare it to something. CarPlay style stereo, locking center console, Atlas twin stick transfer case. Other huge improvement on this truck, it has a 10-speed automatic transmission. Just like a modern car, like a new Ford Raptor or any of those, the same type of transmission. Really great transmission. Come around the outside, nice flares, amp power board steps. And here, we'll watch those close up. And they should go. There we go. Sexton Offroad swing away rear tire cover, class 3 receiver. Just everything on this thing is really nice. Look how nice that opens and closes. We'll open up the back here. New carpet, beautiful blue paint, subwoofer, padding on the roll bar, just everything. You just tell this is a really, really high quality build. I mean, this is the kind of truck you see going through Barrett Jackson and brings, $250,000. There is little flaws and stuff. There's like a little mark up here. Why don't you zoom in on that on the top? There's a flaw I saw up here on the front fender. But overall, the body and paint on this thing is really sharp and clean. Upgraded headlights. I mean, I could just go on and on and on it. It's, LED light bar down here. This is a cool one. One of the best colors you can get in a Bronco. And being a 77 last year of the small body Bronco. So any questions, let us know. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, hit us up. Use the contact seller button. We're also happy to get you a shipping quote if you need it. Thank you.
Right.